In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Calendar on Android using the 2025 guide. This process is straightforward, enabling you to efficiently share your calendar with colleagues, friends, or family. Let's dive into the steps and make sure you get it right. First, you'll need to open the Google Calendar app on your Android phone. You might already have this app pre-installed, but if not, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Once you have it open, ensure you're signed in with the Google account that owns the calendar you intend to share. It's crucial because without access to this specific account, you won't have the required permissions to manage sharing settings. Now that you have the Google Calendar app open and ready, navigate to the calendar settings. Look for the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the app. Tapping this icon reveals a list of options. Scroll through and select the Settings option. This action will bring up all your calendars associated with your Google account. Take a moment to locate the specific calendar you wish to share. It could be labeled something like work, family, or personal, depending on how you've organized your events. Once you've selected the desired calendar, it's time to add people to share it with. You'll see an option that says Add People. Tap on it and a dialog box will appear where you can enter the email address of the person you'd like to share your calendar with. Be sure to enter the email address correctly to avoid any mishaps or confusion. After entering the email address, you'll be prompted to choose a permission level. This step is vital as it dictates how much access the other person will have. You can choose from several options, including See Only Free/Busy, Hide Details, which restricts visibility to just your availability. See All Event Details, allowing them to view the event specifics. Make changes to events, granting them the ability to modify events. Or make changes and manage sharing, providing full control as if they were the owner. The next step is to send the invitation. All you have to do is tap the Send button. Once sent, the recipient will receive an email invitation prompting them to accept and gain access to your calendar. They'll now have the ability to view or edit based on the permissions you granted. And just like that, your Google Calendar is now shared directly from your Android phone in 2025. This functionality keeps everyone on the same page and enhances your scheduling efficiency. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.